There's my old inner A panel. Nice. What I'm having to do here is I have the old panel here, which I kept, and the new panel, and on the original panel, it butts right up against the firewall, and on these, which is a Magnum panel, it actually sticks out quite a lot. So I've had to actually grind this off. So what I did was I put this panel back on there, and I measured the distance between the edge of the hole and the edge of the wall here, and I was able to measure exactly where it should be, and it was way out. It was out by like 10 millimeters or so. So now it's much closer, but I've also got to do the bottom as well. Fresh problem that I've created. The fresh problem I've created is that when I cut out the inner wing here, I've actually used a splitting tool to cut the closing panel on the inside there, and I've actually put a hole through the firewall. You can see the hole through there. Very hard to get to. If I leave it, the problem is water will come down, run inside, leak. So I'm going to have to seal it. So I think what I'm going to do is I can reach it from the inside here. So I'm going to put a piece of cardboard over the hole, then use a spray can underneath to spray up, and it will create a little patch, a little mark on the material. So then I can cut out, put a little patch up there, and just tack it in place. Or the other option is I just weld a piece of metal on there inside and then seal it on the inside with some sealer. And I think that's going to be the more clever way to do it, actually. Or I can make a patch over the end here and seal it on the inside. I'm not sure. So I had to actually put a plate on the inside there, which I've welded on the inside, and then I've filled it up with welds on the underneath side as well, so on both sides, and then I'm just going to paint it with some seam sealer all the way across so it's sealed up. I just want to show you the panel fitted. So I welded this up here, and I actually welded it inside here to the firewall, and then also in the inside of the wheel arch as well, up in there, so it's really securely attached, and lined it up so it fits. And the closing panel still needs a little bit of work to get it to fit, but I'll just show you that as well. So that's the inner panel there, and then we have the closing panel, which is going to go on like that. The holes don't quite align, but what I can do is put some bolts through, get them prepped, and then I'll be able to just bend over the edge to get to fit perfectly. But yeah, still a little bit more fettling, but should be okay.